This is Tom Rake with AVI, and we got a great tip for you on servicing the Cummins lifters and camshaft without pulling the head off the engine. To do it, though, you're going to need a toolkit. Cummins sells it, and also it's available through some aftermarket suppliers. What this kit allows you to do is lift up the lifters off the cam, pull the cam out, and then reinstall the lifters and put the new lifters and cam back in the engine, obviously, and it saves you from having to go ahead and take off the head, turbo, exhaust, fuel system, etc. So it's a huge time saver. So if you have one of those new hydraulic lifters ticking away, you can go ahead and get the toolkit. If you need more information on it, go ahead and either go to one of the local hands-on AVI training classes that are instructor-led, or go ahead and see our Cummins update video, and we'll show you what the kit looks like and how it works. Thank you. Have a great time fixing these Cummins units.